Hey everyone, so today I'm going to walk you through how to create invoices using InfinitePay.io. Whether you are a freelancer, small business owner, or just need to bill someone, InfinitePay.io makes it simple. So let's get started. First, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the invoices or billing section. This is where you can create and manage your invoices. Select on Create New Invoice or similar option. You will be prompted to fill in details such as the client's name, invoice date, due date, and itemized list of services or products. Enter each item or service you are billing for along with the quantity, rate, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Customize the invoice with your business logo, colors, and additional notes or terms. This helps give your invoice a professional look. Review the invoice to ensure all details are accurate. When ready, select Send or Save and Send option to send the invoice directly to your client. Track the status of your invoices within InfinitePay.io. You can see when they have been reviewed, paid, or if they are overdue. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to create invoices using InfinitePay.io. Whether you are managing one-time projects or ongoing clients, InfinitePay.io simplifies your billing process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.